Hey everyone, what's up? It's me. So, I'm actually going to be doing a video unboxing. I'm sorry if you guys can't see me that well. My curtains are kind of drawn, but the sun is like really bright and I just don't like the lighting in here. But, finally got my packages in the mail. I've always tried doing an unboxing video and it always failed. I always opened the boxes before I made the video, but here it is. All from Poshmark, sorry. Yeah, I'm going to be opening this first one. It's so tiny. I think it might be my shirt. But I'm going to open it. Actually, I think I can open it from the bottom. Yeah, I can definitely open it from the bottom. Oh my god, it is my shirt. Yay. Oh, there's a letter in here. It smells good. Okay, so got like a little thank you card. Hope you love your new shirt by Rachel. Thank you so much. That's what it looks like. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my gosh. And it's plus size and it says Senpai will never be your crush. Oh my god. Or Senpai will never notice you. I love it. And it's from Hot Topic. I love their fucking clothes, but I never knew Hot Topic would sell shirts like this. So that's cool. I mean, I've shopped at Hot Topic basically all my life. Never seen shirts like that, so that's a major plus. Next, I'm guessing either these are my pants, I think. Oh my god, yay. Like, oh my god. Gotta open. I don't want to make sure to cut my jeans. Oh, there's a card in here. Ah! I almost stabbed myself. Okay, so let's see. They tape them really good. It's like, I don't know why they have to tape them, like go crazy with the tape, but they do. Okay, so here's another thank you envelope. So I'm gonna open that first before I dig into my pants. Oh, this is different. Okay. Oh! It says thank you on it. Oh. So, the person who sent me this, named Heather, they said, thank you for purchasing, hope you love the pants, and rock these. That's awesome. So thank you so very much. These are from Torrid. Now, I made a mistake once from ordering some jeans from Torrid on Poshmark. I wear size 22 wide, and when I got the jeans, they fit more like a size 24 wide. So they were like super big on me. I got these in a size 20 wide. Oh yeah, oh my god, these are gonna fit. Oh my god, these will fit. Okay, so these are actually black jean plaid. I always loved these kind of style of jeans, okay? Like, I could never find jeans in plaid that fit me. So, I am so happy. I am literally happy. And probably later make a try-on video or an outfit of the day video. Oh my god. These, oh my god, I'm excited for these. These are the shoes I ordered. They're also from Hot Topic, from Poshmark. Oh my god, an actual video of me buying stuff from Poshmark that actually is going well. That's crazy. Usually when I buy stuff from Poshmark, I either get ripped off or I don't get the right sizes. And this is awesome. Oh my god, I'm excited. I'm sorry about my hair looks really bad. I was like outside and it's kind of windy. So, yeah. Ah! There we go. Is there a card in here? No, no card. Okay, so, oh my god! I know, they're kind of, well, she said they're used. But these are the shoes. They're from Hot Topic. Yes, they are used, obviously. She said that they were used. You can definitely tell they're used because of the fringe on there. But you know, I only got these because, you know, I don't know, it just, they look, you know, they can easily be washed by using bleach. I always used to bleach my shoes when I was in high school to keep them really clean, and it's obviously pleather, so I gotta be real careful when it comes to that. But I love these. I've always wanted shoes like these, and I could never afford these, you know, and sadly Hot Topic doesn't sell shoes like these anymore, and the brand is Dravens, I don't know. But they don't sell these kind of shoes anymore, sadly. So I'm super, super happy I got these shoes. So that's basically it for this video. I'll make sure to do a try-on video. So make sure to rate, subscribe, and comment. Bye.